What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, man. And I gotta show you guys my June sales and how it turns out. Last couple days I ain't been making nothing. It's been 110 degrees where I live, and I don't got no AC, so it's over for doing anything that has to do with my computer. It was overheating and shit. But anyway, this is how the month went. Starting to get a little bit more consistent. I'm really excited about Q4. I cannot wait. I'm got a shit ton load of designs ready for Christmas and Halloween. Um, just make sure if you guys are gonna attack the holidays that you guys are getting them out early. So start working on them and start getting them out. Um, but yeah, things are starting to be a little bit more consistent. I only had 3 days where I didn't make a sale, which is cool. Um, 67 sales. Average royalty was 284. I made $190. Had 3 returns. Let's see. Okay, so I had 96% of my sales were standard t-shirts, which is 64. Starting to notice, standards just bread and butter, like nothing else really sells for me like that. I sell a shit ton of hoodies like in the winter time, but since then they barely sell for me. Um, so I had one apple case and one V-neck. I never fucking sell V-necks, so that's cool. So one of these shirts is a Father's Day shirt, and then the other one is my number one seller that I exposed to you guys. So for those few people that have been asking about that, it's still been selling. I sold 24 this month. And then everything else is just kind of a little bit of everything. Um, Usually, sometimes it'd be one shirt driving all the traffic. But this month it's just a little bit of everything, which is cool. Got some new ranking shirts. Um, Mostly black sold. So yeah, that's the numbers for this month. I beat last month, so that's all that I hope for is to just at least keep growing. Just at least do better than I did last month, and that's all we can hope for. Um, this isn't my main income. I don't do this shit full time, so it's nice, make a couple hundred off basically doing nothing for me. So that's what June was like, man. How much money did you guys make um, this month? Let me know. But that's all I got for this video. Till next time. Probably make another video today or tomorrow showing you guys um, my sales on July 1st. It's actually been pretty nice. So stay tuned for that. Until next time.